Oh. Hey.
Yo, yo.
Yo, yo, yo.
Hey, man.
What up?
Dude, I had a crazy story. Second crazy story to tell you. It's so awesome.
So you were getting to the right spot. Level 2. That's what I was saying. Am I level 2? Ah!
Buddy. Fucking told you I'd come.
There you go. Please.
That's what I needed.
Chad's here. All right, so we are in the Circus parking lot right now. Chad's got his belongings. Same bag as me, but a different name on it.
CCB.
CCB. And we're gonna have a drink or two, hang out, and Jacob's coming in about an hour or so-ish, and then the fun continues.
Or 4 drinks.
3 or 4 or 5 or 6. We'll see what happens.
Or the whole pack.
Or the whole 12 pack. Oh my God.
I'm not gonna be, no, I'm the guy.
So I'm just enjoying the view, and
It's great to be here, man.
it is. But I still wake up.
The ghost!
Is that you right there? Yes, that is you. Perfect. All right. Good job. All right.
Nice.
Yeah. All right. Trunk.
Trunk?
Just lift it up. There you go. Yeah.
GoPro?
Yeah, that's right here. Oh, whoa. Hey.
Yeah, move that. We have beers in the cooler. That was the worst fight. Was it really?
Open it up.
No way. Show the camera.
It's my lake,
Blake.
bitch. Jacob Lake.
Oh, it's. Oh, thank you.
Hopefully it fits. If it doesn't, we're going right by there anyway, so we can exchange it.
Perfect. I'm sure it'll be great.
There you go. Jacob Lake. Brought to you by Jacob Lake. Welcome to the room, boys.
We are here.
We are finally, the trio is here. Are we not winning?
It's not going well. 70 cents so far.
How is your night going, sir? You're gonna appreciate this later, trust me. Welcome.
I put in a 20 and I ended up getting $103.
You're covering it up.
Oh, $103.
And how did this place treat you?
It was good. All right. That was a good first day.
hanging out. It'll be for like 5 seconds. Not even that. And that's it. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Fuck! Hey, buddy! All right. Jacob wins his own.
Let's party.
I choose this one.